Are we there? Are we there? Okay. Hi, my pineapples. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited. This is a different type of video. Usually I'll put like this kind of stuff on my vlog channel, but I decided I wanted to put this on my main channel because I thought it was pretty cool just to kind of do this special day or surprise, I guess you can say. And I don't know, I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I thought it would be cool to show you because who knows, maybe you guys want to surprise someone, or maybe you'll get some ideas from this or whatever. But I just wanted to share today's video with you because I thought hopefully if all goes well, it'll be sort of cool. I am doing some arts and crafts right now, and I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure you got, you know, the gist of what this video is about from the title. Today's a very exciting day. I hope all goes well. I am going to be surprising my friend with a Beyonce ticket, and I'm going to be taking her to the On the Run 2 tour. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I know she really wanted to go. I had a ticket and I figured, you know what? I really want to give this to someone who means a lot to me, someone who has been there for me. And I'm someone where I have a super small like knit circle. So this means like a lot to me, you know, and her friendship means a lot. So I definitely wanted to take her. She deserves it. She's beautiful from the inside and out too. And she's just a beautiful person, and I really appreciate her. So I wanted to, you know, surprise her and all that and do something special for her. And I can't wait. I'm super excited. I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now. So on the floor, as you can see, I have some poster paper. This is from Staples. I have 2 of them, and I just did some little printouts of Beyonce's face because I'm going to be surprising her at dance practice tonight with other girls, and they're all gonna have like little cutouts of Beyonce. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is On the Run, and I gotta put freaking Jay-Z. Here are the popsicle sticks for the head cutout so that they can hold them. So I DM'd one of my guy friends from dance, and he said yeah, he's totally up for it. He's super excited. And it's so funny because you'll see like the little pun that I'm gonna do with all this, but I don't want to give away everything because I want you guys to see it in the video, but I'm going to just show you one item that will probably, I don't know, maybe you guys will get it, but maybe you'll get confused. That's all I'm going to show you in there. You're probably like, what? Why do you have all these different flavors? And you shall see. I don't want to give away all the surprise or like how the whole entire thing is going to flow, but you guys will definitely see it. I just kind of wanted to show you some behind the scenes on how I'm going to make like little paper head cutouts. I just Googled Beyonce headshot, print it. I'll just expand and scale it so that it would take up the whole entire paper. So it's like, you know, dancing Beyonce's everywhere. I also just got some glitter glues and stuff, and extra ink just in case because I haven't like printed in color in quite a bit. I always just do everything black and white, but just in case we ran out of ink. And then a big Sharpie for the poster boards and stuff. Crossing my fingers. I'm currently crossing my toes, crossing my eyes, that everything goes well. And yeah. All right, I gotta charge my Beats pill because that's part of it as well. Going a little bit early, her husband's in on it as well. We have a whole plan, so you guys will see. All right, guys, super excited. It's all coming together. These are super easy to make, so I just did all the cutouts, and then we got one Jay-Z. Wait, where's Sam? She's leaving. No, she's not leaving. It's all part of the plan. Okay, it's connected. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Is it playing? Where's my sign? I'm scared. Did we put this down? Yeah, don't forget, put your sign down, okay? Are your eyes closed? Are your eyes closed? Like your surprise. I love that. I love you. I love you. This is the end of my surprise video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.